Well, everybody, I'd like to thank you for joining us today. Obviously, we're standing in front of a Kia today. I'm here with Young Kim, is the senior product planner for the vehicle. So thank you for joining me today, Young.
Nice. Thanks for having me.
You know, we were just talking just a little bit about the vehicle just before this, and you were saying that selling 10,000 units a month right now in the U.S. market, like, that's pretty darn good.
Yeah, the new K4 has really been a success story for us. So it just came out last fall. Right now we're selling around 10,000 units a month. So it's selling a lot better than the Forte did. It's actually our #2 best-selling vehicle in our lineup, right behind the Sportage.
Okay, and you bringing out a hatchback version here today. Do you feel like that hatchback could maybe get you a little bit closer to that Sportage?
Yeah, internally, I'm very competitive, so I'd love for K4 to overtake the Sportage in terms of sales. And I think the hatchback would be a great addition to bring more customers into the K4 lineup.
Well, I mean, I think first thing for me that jumps out right away is this color, and especially under these lights here on the camera, it really pops. Like, what is the name of this color?
This is a unique color that we're only going to offer on the 5-door. It's called Sparkling Yellow. It's really a blend of gold and yellow, and it looks better in person than you're going to see in the videos.
So what else makes this K5 hatchback unique?
The K4...
I said K5. Oh my gosh. Did
okay.
I say that more than once?
I don't remember.
Oh my gosh. Well, we'll just keep going. But yeah, K4. I really know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, the K4 has the same very aggressive, distinctive front end that the sedan has. The K4 hatchback really starts to look different when you look at the side profile. So everything above and behind the rear doors is unique on the hatchback body style. The rear wide haunches that you have on the K4 sedan looks even more exaggerated here on the 5-door due to the 11-inch shorter rear overhang. So overall length of the vehicle is shorter by 11 inches, which helps the hatchback become a lot more maneuverable and easier to park in cities.
And not only that, I mean, obviously a big proportion of this is going to be the extra space that you get in the rear from it.
Yeah, so you do get more space for passengers. You actually get 1 inch more headroom in the rear. But the big story is going to be in the cargo area. So we're offering 22.2 cubic feet of space with the rear seat up. The bigger story will be the over 59 cubic feet of space when you fold the rear seat down, which is more than some of the entry CEVs in the market today.
Yeah, and I mean, I've got to imagine that's a big aspect for the customer that you feel like will be coming into this vehicle.
Yeah, we're expecting to get a lot of younger, more affluent, well-educated customers coming into the hatchback body style. And these customers want a no-compromise vehicle, a vehicle that's stylish, that's fun to drive, and also very capable in terms of versatility.
Yeah, one thing I found kind of interesting about that you were saying earlier is that you are going after a younger buyer, but hatchback buyers tend to be a little more premium than your average buyer, which I found kind of interesting.
Yeah, I think the customer base in general for K4 sedan, you do get a wide range of customers. I think with the hatchback, it's going to be a little bit narrower, a little bit more focused on the younger segment. So I think that's where you get the more premium customers than maybe the broader K4 sedan population.
And it seems like your trim lineup kind of reflects that as well.
Correct. Yeah, so the K4 hatchback will have a simpler lineup than the sedan. We're only planning to offer this with the EX, GT Line, and GT Line Turbo.
Gotcha. And I think one other interesting aspect, not necessarily to the hatchback, but just sedan space in general that you said was really interesting, is that sedan buyers want something that's more different in the market. Maybe it has a little bit bolder styling.
That's correct. Yeah, we found in our research that because of CEVs being the main vehicle of choice for a lot of customers these days, people who are gravitating towards sedans are doing so because they want something a little bit sporty that looks different than what everyone else is driving. And I think the K4 really hit the mark with that, and the K4 hatchback continues that as well.
Yeah, I mean, for me, the lighting especially just really kind of draws your eye, and it's very distinctive, especially when you see it on the road.
Yes, yeah. We call this the star map lighting. This signature lighting you'll find on most of our Kia vehicles today.
Is there anything else that makes this hatchback unique? This is a GT line, correct?
This is a GT line turbo. This comes with a 1.6 turbo engine, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, 190 horsepower, 195 pound-feet of torque. So more than enough performance for a lot of customers. But the K4 sedan and hatchback will both be available with a more efficient 2-liter engine as well, paired with the IVT.
Cool. Is there anything else that you'd like to touch on?
No, we're very excited to bring this out into the market. This car will be available towards the end of the year, so look for it in your showroom towards December.
Well, I bet you're excited, and I will get it right. It is the K4, not the K5. I'm a bit embarrassed about that, but hey, it happens sometimes. But yeah, very nice vehicle, so hopefully it goes well for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.